another video. If you want to know how I did this glam makeup look, just keep on watching. To start off, I'm using the Maybelline Master Prime by Face Studio. It's a translucent finish and it really helps to blur pores and prep skin for makeup. For the foundation, I'll be using NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation in the shade Punjab. It's a medium to full buildable coverage that remains transfer and sweat resistant for up to 16 hours. It blends incredibly easy. You can sheer it out or easily achieve full coverage and somehow it still looks natural. For the concealer, I'm using the Huda Beauty Overachiever Concealer in the shade Cotton Candy. This is a full coverage creamy concealer. It is great for concealing for dark circles and blemishes. It's very brightening and I like the metal tip applicator which adds a cooling effect to my under eye. A few little drops will do and it works wonders on your face. Next, I'm using Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Powder in the shade Pound Cake. It is an easy to use loose powder, perfectly curated for all skin tones to create an airbrush, long-lasting complexion while blurring the appearance of pores and fine lines, and holding makeup in place all day. And for my eyes, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered Palette. Eyeshadow palette consisting of 18 unique shades. For my transition color, I'm using the Mirror. So I'm just buffing the color into my crease. So my next shade is Henna. I'm going to use it to my outer V, then buffing it towards inside. Next shade is Man Eater. So next is I'm going to try to cut crease using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So I'm going to top it off with my Stila Shimmer and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in the shade Kitten. So next is black truffle. So I'm going to use it as a liner, and I'm gonna put it really close to my lashes. And then I'm gonna take off the excess powder. For contouring, I'm using the Sleek Makeup Contour Kit. When contouring, blending is the key. So to add another color, I'm using the Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite bronzer. And for the blush, I'm using NARS in the shade Orgasm. So before we put the mascara, let's curl our lashes first. For the mascara, I'll be combining the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and the Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. For the highlight, I'm using the Maybelline Master Chrome by Face Studio. Apply it gradually to the highest point of your cheeks. For the lip, I'm using the Kylie Lip Liner. And for my lips, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in the shade Pure. And to set everything in place, I'll be using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus.
And that's it for my glam makeup look. I hope you like this, and if you did like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!